Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to learn how to do hammer printing. For this project you will need fresh flowers or leaves, any plain cotton top or fabric, a plastic carry bag, and a hammer or any heavy tool. So first prepare the shirt. Place a plastic cover or carry bag inside the shirt. This prevents the natural dyes from bleeding through the other side of the fabric. Position the flower. Select a fresh flower like pea butter flower or place it down on the fabric where you want the print. Hammer the flower using a hammer. Gently tap the flower until its natural color transfers onto the fabric. Hammer evenly so the imprint comes out clear. Repeat the pattern. Continue placing flowers and hammering until you achieve your desired design or pattern. Let it dry. After finishing, allow the fabric to fully dry. Once dry, your natural hammer printed design is ready to wear or display. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.